So the first step in WordPress is to go to the following URL, and then before you get started, I want to show you some payment plans. For free, you will get a name for your website that is under the WordPress domain. If you want to go personal or premium, then you have to pay, of course, some money, and you will get a domain on your own, and all the advertisement customized from WordPress will be removed. And if you want to build an e-commerce where you can sell and buy things and you can interact with your customers, and for example, if you have a guest house, you can create a booking like website, then you have to pay almost $25 per month. All of these per month payments. Let's get started. First thing you need to do is to choose what kind of website you want. They will give you the option of a blog, website, portfolio, and online store. Now you need to know from now, all of these three, the website, the blog, and portfolio, can start for free. Like you can upgrade later, but you can start these for free. The only one that you have to pay $25 in order to initiate it is the online store. At this point, I'm gonna start with the website. You choose here a design. There are hundreds, literally hundreds of uh, designs, but don't worry about that for now because you can change the design in a click of a button, so you don't need to worry about it. I'm gonna choose this one. You need to enter now the name of your website. I'm gonna call it guest house. You can call it whatever you want. You can change this also later. And it gives you recommendations. Of course, all of these ones down are for you will have to pay money, but this one here is for free. And as you can see, it's under the WordPress.com. So they called it Guest House 64. I'm gonna say since it's for free, I'm gonna select it. And these are your options. We spoke about these before, and I'm gonna go start with free. You enter your email address. You give it a username and you give it a password, and you are as good to go. Here, because I already a registered user, it's telling me to log in, and I'm gonna do that. So in WordPress, this is the first interface page, and here this is the name of your website. You can change it anytime you want, and you can create multiple sites. And this is the site preview. The most important thing I want you to pay attention to is the pages. These are the content of your pages, and this is where you have to start. So if you want to add a new page, or if you want to preview your pages first, these are the pages you have on your website or on the site. And then if you want to add a new one, you just click on add, you type a title, and then you create your content. And then once you finish it, you say publish. It will be published into the pages. So page publish on this site. I can add another page, or I can go to my site again. Now, if you want, after you create your pages and after you enter your content, and this is the first step you need to do, then you need to create your theme. So if you click on themes, you will see all the themes, and there are hundreds. Some of them are for money and some of them are for free. If you click 2017, and this is very recommended, 2017, this is the latest design that is given by WordPress. So if you click on it, you can preview it, and you can choose it, you can activate it. This is the design. So your pages will be previewed in this manner. I don't like it that much, so I'm gonna go back. And of course, you can customize everything. The header, the menus, all can be customized from the design. I don't like this design that much. I'm gonna go to the, let's say, independent publisher, this one. You want to activate it, click on the activate this design, and it's for free. It will highlight that for you. Visit site to preview it. This is how my site will be. If I want to change anything, again, in WordPress, everything is editable. You want to customize this design? You go to the design with themes. And from the left menu. So site identity, colors, font, header, menus. If you want to add a menu, if you want to delete primary, social, you can change everything. Now, it's already saved. So I'm just gonna click here, save. Let me preview it. If you wanna publish it, then that's it. Site preview. This is how it will look like on a desktop, on a touchpad, and on mobile devices. In WordPress, if you want to make your website dynamic, and if you want, let's say, if it's an e-commerce and or uh, a guest house where you have bookings and you have interaction from the customers, then you need to add plugins. And you have to click on plugins to see all the plugins. There are hundreds, literally hundreds of plugins there. And if you want to add, for example, a statistic, or you want your customers to send you feedback, or you want them to register something on your website, or if, for example, you want to have a basket where customers can choose from from your store, then you need to add plugins from the add buttons. The only issue here is that you need to be a professional with a professional plan, which means you have to pay $25 per month. For example, if we click on the theme check plugin, that's it. Upgrade to the business plan to install plugin. This is, in my opinion, a disadvantage in WordPress.